Hello everyone, myself Anupam Singh. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in ABES Engineering College. The topic of my presentation is 8085 microprocessor and its addressing mode. But before going to the actual topic, first we have to understand what are the instructions. Instructions are the things the processor have to process. So the major part of any instruction are operand and the operator. Operator of any instructions can be same, but operand should be different. So the way in which operand is specified in any instructions are its addressing mode. So we have total 5 types of addressing modes in 8085 microprocessor, which we have to discuss or understand one by one. First, the first addressing mode in 8085 microprocessor is direct addressing mode. As the name suggests, direct. Direct means if any 8 or 16-bit data is given along with the instruction, then the mode of the instruction is direct addressing mode, which means that if the data and address is directly present or we can see in the instruction, then its mode is direct addressing mode. Like in example, LDA 4000. This is an instruction which is having LDA as an operator and 4000 as a operand. So here the operand specified along with the instructions is the direct accessible source. In this instruction, we have memory location 4000H. So from the memory location 4000H, the data which is present in the memory location 4000 is loaded into accumulator register. Now, in the next instruction, that is LHLD address. LHLD address means the data from the address which is given along with the instruction can be moved into the register pair HL. So this instruction defines that we have to load the data from the address given along with the instruction into the register pair HL. So we can conclude the direct addressing mode as the instructions in which the source is defined or present along with the instructions are known as direct addressing mode. The next or the second addressing mode is register direct addressing mode. As the name suggests, register direct, which means in any instructions, if we are having source and destination, both are registers, then the mode of that instructions is register direct addressing mode. So in this addressing mode, if the source registers data is moved or transferred into destination registers data, then the mode of that instruction is register direct addressing mode. As we see in the example, the instruction is move A, B. Move AB means we have to transfer the source register B's data into the destination register accumulator into the destination register's accumulator. So the data is transferred directly from one register to another registers. The next is add E. This is an additional instructions in which we have one data into the accumulator and the other data in register E. So the accessible point or the source and destination both are registers. That is why the mode of these instructions are register direct addressing mode. So we can conclude that this mode as if we are having any instructions in which the source and destination both are registers, then the mode of that instructions are known as register direct addressing mode. Next is the third is register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode are of those instructions in which an indirect register means the source are the registers, but these register does not having the direct data into it. So we have to We have registers present in the instructions, but the data can be accessed indirectly from that registers. So the instructions that are having these type of registers are known as register indirect addressing mode. That means there is register present as a source in the instructions, but those registers does not have actual data in it. We have to indirectly access the data with the help of these registers. For an example, the first instruction is LDAX-B. First of all, the X represent that the register present is an extended register. Extended register means the register is an register pair. That is, we are having 3 register pairs in 8085 microprocessor. That is register pair BC, register pair DE, and register pair HL. So in the first instruction, LDAXB, which means load accumulator. Load accumulator from the data whose address is present in the register pair B, C. So we are having here register as a source, but this register is not a single register, it is a register pair because X is present along with the instruction, and this register pair is having address of the source. So that data whose address is present in register pair BC is transferred or loaded into accumulator register. Then the next instruction is move A M. M is the source. M means the memory location. Which memory location? The memory location which is in register pair HL. So in this instruction, in this instruction, the data that is present in the memory location whose address is given in the register pair HL is moved or transferred into accumulator register. So we can conclude the register indirect addressing mode as the instructions which are having source as a register, but that register does not have actual data which is executed, but the source data is present in the address or the memory location which is given in the registers which are present in the instructions. So those instructions which are having these type of registers, their modes are register indirect addressing mode. Next, we are having immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode we can define as the instructions which are having source data which is given along with the instruction is known as immediate addressing mode. Like the data which is given along with the instructions is called immediate data which is to be moved or transferred into the destination. In the first instruction, we can clearly see we are having MVI B, 92. 92 is the immediate data which is to be moved in destination register B. Here, the instruction is MVI. I means immediate. So, move immediate data which is given along with the instruction that is 92 into the destination register that is register B. In the next instruction that is LXI H5002, that means X here means the H is extended register, that is register pair HL. So the data 5002 is moved into register L and register H respectively. So we can conclude immediate addressing mode. The instructions which are having source data directly given along with the instructions are called immediate addressing mode. Next or last, we are having implicit or implied addressing mode. These instructions, those instructions which does not have any source or destination along with the instructions, the mode of that instructions is implicit. Like the instructions which are having predefined functions are known as implicit or implied addressing mode, like the instructions that is HLT, NOP, and CMA. HLT is to terminate the program. Whenever processor execute these instructions, it stop or terminate the program. Next instruction is NOP, which means no operation. Whenever this instruction is executed, there will be no operation performed in that time cycle. Next is CMA, that is complement accumulators data. Whatever data present in the accumulator register is complemented by executing this instruction. So in these type of instructions which does not have any source and destinations are known as implicit or implied addressing mode. So we can conclude the addressing mode of 8085 microprocessor as: first, the definition, that is the way in which the operand of any instruction is specified, are known as addressing mode. Then we have 5 types of addressing mode, that is direct addressing mode, in which directly the address of the location or the source is specified along with the instruction. Then we have register direct addressing mode, in which the source and destination both are registers. Third is register indirect addressing mode. That means that we are having a register along with the instruction, but that register does not have the actual data. We can indirectly access with the help of that register. Then we have implicit addressing mode, which means there is no source or no destination defined along with the instruction. Then we have immediate addressing mode, in which we have directly a data given along with the instruction, which is directly accessible. So these are all 5 types of addressing mode in 8085 microprocessor. Thank you from my side.